Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to authenticate your Rado Diastar. Okay, how to authenticate your Rado Diastar, and I will show you how to buy a used Rado Diastar for you one. Okay, so that's a simple thing. I will just show you. Okay, but listen carefully and take this as a reference for this watch because I bought all these three watch in the showroom only. So take this watch as a reference for you for while buying a used Diastar, or if you want to authenticate your diastar. Okay, so just I will show you how to do that. So these are the three diastar I have with me. Three are showroom. I bought it in the showroom. So I will just tell you how to authenticate it. So the Rado diastar comes with a 2836 movement. Okay, I'm not talking about the quartz. I'm talking about the automatic one. So these two things are come with the 2836 movement. Okay, so uh, once what is the special about the movement is it have a second hand hack. So while you turning the tire, when you used to change the time, the second hand will stop. Okay, and another important thing, first thing you have to check while authenticate is a movement. Okay, you don't want to open back the movement. First, you just check it will the while the 24 hours change, the day and date will flick at a second. Okay, it won't even it won't even delay. Day and date will change at a second. This is the first thing. It will come. It will tell you your Raro diaster is 50 percentage is original. Okay, which means I said the movement is 100% original and the watch is 50% original. Okay, so listen carefully. So check the day and date. Okay, this is Sunday date is 11. Okay, so I will change to the after 24 hours format. The day and date will flick at a second. Okay, so don't think it is not running. It is I have it now have power reserve. Okay, so it's not running. So I will take the crown to the second position. See, check the day and date. Okay, check in day and date and the time. It's rotating. It's 6 p.m. Okay, 7 p.m., 9 p.m. Check it. See, did you notice that day and date flicked at the moment? That is the 2836 moment. The Rado diaster runs with the 2836 moment. It has the day and date. First you have to authenticate the movement. Okay, it will tell you have a 100% 50 percentage original diaster and 100% perfect movement. Okay, later I will tell you how to open the movement and show you. Okay, I will show the movement. Okay, then other thing you have to check this Rado diaster font. Okay, this font is like you can see it is very sharp. Okay, it is not a bold, very bold, or it's very sharp. It should be like this. Okay, so see, check the three font. Okay, check the font. See this font and check this font. See, I have the quartz. Okay, also check this font. Okay, so you have checked the three font. The three font you check the three font has the same font. Okay, this is the main thing, and the case this is also confirm your Rado is original, and I think I cannot able to focus here. There will be a number will be appear here. There is a case reference number will be there. I think it is tough to focus. Is it visible? Okay. So I will just show you a reference in an iPad. Okay, don't just check. You can take a photo in live. You can take the photo. After take the photo, you can check. There will be a reference number below this part. See, not the exact number maybe, and but you can see there is a number will be appear in your case like this at at this part. Okay, at this part below the day date, here this part you can see there is a like this, that's the number. Once if you cannot able to see by your eyes, take one photo and zoom it. Definitely you can see. I can't show in the video, I think so. Okay, that will also you have to check it. Okay, whether it is a original or not, that's the case is the original or not, that you have to check. Okay, that is also confirm your watch is a original. And these other things. And after that, I'll show you the movement. Okay, how the movement will be appear. Okay, see, this is the watch, this watch movement. Okay, this is I'm using for a long back, I do service everything. So this is this watch movement I'm showing. See, so here you can see 282836-2. This is the movement number, and this is the font 25 joules Rado Diastar. Okay, so this is the how the movement look like. Okay, now the movements are coming in a brass metal. You can see the gold color also. This is the, I bought it older, so this has a movement like this. See, example 2836. It will be, you can see in the plus, right, ask to open the movement and see right side of the plus movement, sorry, plus sign, right side of the plus sign. You can see open, once you open the back, and the right side of the plus you can see 2836. This is important to check whether the movement is original or not. This is the heart of the watch, so you must check the Diastar has a original movement. Okay, and I also asked to check that the date change at 24 hours, that will be authenticating. Okay, that is the first thing. And see, example, this is the example, this is the internet pic I took for example. See, 2836 you can see see 2836. See, and this is the font. Okay, just take your screenshot or something like that. This how your movement should be. Okay, this 2836-2, and the symbol should be like that. This is the kind of the original Rado Diastar. Okay, only this will authenticate. And how to, and you have other thing important I have to tell you, like every Diastar dial has a dial code. So this is kind of, it is called Rado Diastar Palam or bridge. Okay, this is a kind of a Rado Diastar dial, and this is a one kind of dial. Okay, every dial has a unique number, so it will appear below the day date. Okay, Swiss in the left side of the 7 o'clock, that's a Swiss will be written there, and below this 5 o'clock there is some number will be there, right? You can see 034 below the day date and below the 5 o'clock, 034. Yeah, you can see, right? Yeah, so this is the thing. So Swiss 034, it has one reference number, and check, this has one number. So below the Swiss, I think Swiss 059, I think. It's a unique dial code. Okay, and see, even this thing have one unique number. See, you can see like Swiss something written as a number, right, below the 6 o'clock. That's the number. So this is a unique dial code. This is the thing need to check. Why it is through authenticate whether your Diastar is original. Okay, this will confirm 100% your Diastar is original. First thing you have to first, when you take the Diastar in your hand, you have to rotate the time 24 hours, and whether it will change the day and date automatically at 24 hours. Okay, that day and date at the time have to move. Okay, that is the thing. And the dial, okay, the font, the right side thing, and I'll show you the code, those things, and last you just open the back movement and authenticate. It is a Rado Diastar. Okay, so in the back closure case also has a sign. See, back closure also have a sign like Rado Diastar Swiss inside that. Okay, I'm talking about inside this closure. Oh, inside this closure, this is a closure actually. Inside that closure you can see Rado Diastar Swiss, like this will be written. It is to confirm your Rado Diastar authentication. Okay, so see, this is the back case of this watch. This watch back case. This is a movement reference number 636. Movement is 2836. Don't confuse this. That you have to check only 2836-2. That should be your movement. This is just a reference number of the movement. So every depends on watch, it will change. Okay, so this thing will be like that, and for quads I think it's like different. Okay, so this is the one, and I will show you. And I'll tell you now, like how to buy a used Rado Diastar. Okay, that's an important thing. Now we are searching, now the Rado Diastar price is going high, so some people are getting the new Rado Diastar. Okay, so instead of new Rado Diastar, they are trying to get the used one. Okay, so that thing, what the things we have to check while buying a Rado Diastar. Okay, so I'll show you. So in Rado Diastar, its main is appearance. Okay, when you put in a hand, it should be like not like a used. Okay, so you should not see any flaw. That the most important thing while you having a Rado. Okay, so this I'm using for rough use. So don't look at this. This I'll do for a daily use, and this thing I will also sometimes I'll do for a daily use. Yeah. Okay, and this is I'm wear for only for functions. Okay, okay, so see that I'll show you a difference. Okay, Rado case should be closed after checking the while buying the used one. Okay, after you confirm your authenticated your Rado Diastar is original, after you checking with the original, it should be look flawless. Like see, the case should be closed tightly. Okay, see, case should be tight closed. There should be no gap over there. Okay, don't concentrate on the chains and all. Okay, and the case, this is the most important thing. The case should not have a single crack. Okay, single crack or single line should not exist. That's an important thing. Don't compromise there. Okay, if the case is cracked or scratched, the whole Rado Diastar look will gone. Okay, it's no point of buying a Rado Diastar for you. So main thing is the case, so don't compromise it. Check, mostly the crack will appear on the 6 o'clock of the crown. Most of the time you have to check carefully, take your hand and just okay confirm it. Okay, like that you have to check. See, that should be flawless. Okay, then only it will, when you put in your hand, it will look, it will show elegance. Otherwise, like there's no point of wearing a Rado Diastar. This is I'm daily using Rado Diastar for since 10 years. Okay, so this is many times I have given a service, I dropped it, and unfortunately not have any crack, but I used to make service. Okay, so see here, there's a black ring over here. It'll look it'll see not that much when you compare with this watch. See, look wise. See, look wise. See, this is the case and this case. See how it is. This will wear, I will wear only for functions. Okay, so this I will do daily rough use. Daily rough use I will do that. And see, this is also the case, how the case is. This is the first Rado I bought, so I'm maintaining on that way. I'll do rough use also, I doing maintain that way. See how the case, see, you can check how the case is for this two Rado Diastar. You can see the difference for, I think this is, see, closed. Okay, so you know, like for other one important thing, the Rado quads won't come with the anchor. Only the automatic have anchors. The anchor will move. See, it will flick. See, it is in the some direction and it will flick. So it will moving. See, moving. So that's the thing. And so as I said, don't concentrate on the chains. Okay, rado diastar chain, if you're using or not using, it will automatically it will get faded. So never concentrate on the chains, you just concentrate on the watch case alone. Okay, when the case is tightly closed and the movement is original, and you have day and date change functions, everything's working, so you have to concentrate on that only. Okay, don't concentrate on the chains look older. It is a good opportunity to negotiate. Okay, nowadays the rado chain is coming for under 25k, 25,000 for a rado diastar chain, and you can aftermarket chain is available for 3,000, and the big chain is available for 6,000. But at a point of negotiation you can do like that. Chain looks older. Okay, don't consider the chains while buying, only consider on the case side. Okay, you forget this, you can buy it for even 3,000 rupees. Okay, so you just have to check it here. Okay, so that's the thing. So this is how you have to check and buy a rado used diaster. I have told you like how to authenticate a rado diaster and how to buy a used rado diaster, because nowadays market it is many scams are coming and many fake rados are coming. So if a new buyers, if like I'm having like I'm telling like I have three rados, I can feel touch and feel like I can tell it's a original or not. Like just simply I will take my hand, I can tell you. Okay, so while a new buyers, like showroom, you can no problem, you can just close your eyes and buy it. When you buy it from someone for OLX or somewhere in the market, right, you have to check very carefully. Take your time. Don't, if the seller is rush, don't get urgent. Okay, and only you check these three things or four things I have told in the video. It is the best way to get a beautiful rado diaster. Okay, so if anything, you just leave the comment. Okay, thank you.